Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can mark an item as shipped on Depop. So basically you'll have to follow the steps. So all you need to do is first of all log in. After you're logged in, you need to navigate to your cell. So for that, go to your profile, and as soon as you click on it, you'll be able to see all sort of information. So from here you need to go ahead and tap on your profile, and once you click on your profile or account, that's going to take you to the other interface, and from here you'll be able to see your sale. So all you have to do is just you need to view the sale or a transaction. These sections usually contain a list of items you've actually sold. So basically you'll need to locate the item that you want to mark as shipped from the list of your sold item. You need to tap on the item and then open the detail. Once you've done that, you need to mark as shipped within the detail of the sold item. You should see an option or the button that allows you to mark item as shipped. Now these options typically label mark as shipped or something similar. Click on the option, and after selecting the mark as shipped option, you may have promoted to enter the shipping details such as the tracking number or carrier information. Provide the necessary information as requested and enter in the shipping details. After that, confirm. Then you need to confirm the shipment. Once you've done that, complete it after completing the shipment and keep the record of it. And that's basically how you can mark as shipped on Depop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.